Alright, this is the fourth and final elevator at this apartment building complex in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. This is elevator B. Excuse me. But smear reeks of cigarette smoke in here. Love those relay controls. Unfortunately, the Haughton logo in this one has either been removed or torn out in favor of this drain plate. But we still have the Haughton AC logo, which is cool by itself. This one probably has the best sounding motor, but the least exciting cab because that's gone. £2,000. Again, sealed phone box. I'm not sure why they don't have a phone in these things, given that these made the news a couple years ago. They seemed like they were all broken. I can't believe they didn't opt to install phones. I think this is considered low-income housing, so yeah. Car B. Alright, there it goes.